Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kathal. We are on the chapter Forest. The forest is made up of many layers. Starting from the ground layer and moving to the upward, there are 4 layers of the forest. The first one is the forest floor layer. The second one is understory layer. The third one is canopy, and the last one is emergent layer. So we will start from the forest layer. As we have discussed in our Zoom class, the forest floor, it means the floor of the forest. This floor is made up of the decomposed or the fallen off and the dead leaves, we can call it. Dead leaves, animal dropping, dead plants and animals. All the dead and decaying part of the forest form the forest floor layer. And all these decomposed part provide the nutrients to the plant. As we have already discussed in our previous class, the decomposers, they replenish the nutrients in the soil, and these decomposers, they are also present in this forest floor layer. The second one is understory layer. The understory layer, it is made up of the small plants. The small plants like bushes, shrubs and the young trees. They are present in this understory layer. The third layer is canopy. Canopy is the layer that is also known as the umbrella of the forest. This is the layer which formed from intertwined branches, twigs, leaves of tall mature trees. They are the dominant trees and they receive maximum light of the forest. This is the most productive part of the trees where maximum food is produced. So the maximum food is produced in this canopy layer. It forms the umbrella over the forest. It is the upper layer of the forest. And the last layer, that is emergent layer. Emergent layer, it consists of the very tall trees. It exists in the tropical rainforest and composed of the few scattered trees that tower over the canopy. Some of the trees consist of very high length, so they form the emergent layer. Otherwise, this canopy layer is the largest layer. After the canopy, there are some trees which emerges out of the canopy. Therefore, this layer is known as emergent layer. So, these trees have formed the different 4 layers. And here the different types of animals have their habitat. For example, in the emergent layer, the birds, bats, butterfly live in the tallest trees. They are present in the emergent layer. In the top of the shorter trees, or we call canopy, you can find the animals like toucan, monkey. And in the understory layer, the snakes, red-eye, tree frogs and the other animals lived in the lower branches. And animals such as jaguar can be found on the dark in the forest floor. So, the different layer is the habitat of different forms of animals. The trees have different shape in the forest. Some trees are round, some trees are pyramidical, some trees are conical, some trees are columnar. So, the different shape or the crown of the trees or woody plants and the branches is because of their location. Where they are located, according to their location, they have the different shape of crown. For example, if a tree is located near the equator, where the sun is almost overhead, in that area at the equator, the trees are open or exposed to the direct sunlight. So such trees have flat crown because they are exposed to sunlight, so they have the flat crown, so that the maximum area is exposed to the leaves because the sun is overhead. As the sun is overhead, so the leaves are exposed to the sun, so they have the flat shape. And if they are present in the Arctic Circle, where the sun is not overhead, the tree have cone shape, so that from top to the bottom there is the availability of sunlight. So the shape of the crown is according to their location. As the sun is never directly to overhead, so here in the Arctic region the shape of the tree is conical shape. So different crowns of trees is because of their different location.